Let's begin the simulation by creating the flowchart for furniture manufacturing process. There will be one creating station, 8 processing station, 2 deciding station and 2 disposing stations. Rename create as store, time between arrivals type constant, value 25, unit seconds. As for the processes, I am going to follow the first 7 processes according to the table below. Make sure change the action to cease delay release and add resource for every single process. Make sure to connect the unconnect stations. Rename the decide station as keyword checking %2 of 95. Name dispose 1 as approved. Rename the process 8 as bad part handling. Make sure to change the action to cease delay release and add resource. Rename the decide station as decide to trash %truth of 99. Rename the dispose 2 as rejected. Now click the resource icon from the project bar and change every busy and idle hover to 15. Go to setup, at project parameters, change the project name and add replication parameters replication length 1, hours per day 8, base time unit seconds. After saving the file, we are ready to run the simulation. Thank you for watching.